Hi everyone. So today I have, do you know who she is? 'Cause I don't know who she is. This is a baby that, it's a cuddle, she's a cuddle baby. And I love cuddle babies. They are so squishy and so comfy, and they just kind of like fall. She's got little socks on. They just kind of fall into your arms. So, you know, everybody, we'll see her body in just a minute. But I never named her. I can't remember her name, this kit name. She's old. But I like the little expression on her face. So I don't know the kit. I can't remember her. I painted her, and I liked her little expression because she's smiling. And I did her hair and everything, and I think it really came out cute. I think she's even got like a little, you know, where they lay in the back of their head, and they always get that little red spot. So I give her a little red spot in the back of her head. But I painted her, and I did her hair, and I pierced her ears. See, you can tell her ears are pierced. And I love it. I think it's really super cute. But she's a big you know, very big, not very big. She's a big doll. I put her in, this is 3 months clothing. She's fitting into it. But as far as size-wise, she's probably a 6 to 9 month. So she's really super long. But she is my only cuddle baby. And like I said, I made her and I put her together. So I thought we'd give her a little bit of a changing because she's been in this outfit for a very long time, because you don't really see her on my videos. I don't show her too often, and I don't know why. She is a cuddle baby, and I love cuddle babies. And the best part about cuddle babies is if you get sick of their face and you don't want to see their face anymore, you want a different face, just go out and get you a head or another cheap kit and put it on there. So you can switch heads with these cuddle babies, and it's amazing. You know, like I said, if I get sick of seeing her, you know, her face, not that I'm getting sick of seeing her face, but if I want to change her face, I can definitely change her face. You know, cuddle babies, you can do anything you want with their heads. So, because you can change, like I said, you can change the bodies, or change the head out. You don't have to worry about the body because it's all a fabric. So, yeah, so I thought I would bring her out and show you guys, and I think she came out really cute. I love her hair. I think her hair came out amazing. Actually, one of my really good hair doll things. I gave her a little, like, swirly hair this way. So, I think she's really cute. But, like I said, this is an option, but I thought we would go ahead and change her, if I can get this undone, and show you a little bit of her body. I didn't realize she was gonna be this big. Like I said, I think she's more, I mean, she's got to be at least 22 inches, 24 inches. I really don't know. She's a big baby. It's hard to get her all on screen, guys, so I'm sorry if you can't see me changing all of her, because she takes up my whole screen. And but I will give you a look at her body, and as soon as I get her little arm out there and get this off of her. So, I mean, she's really cute. But I thought about changing her face. That was one of my options, because there's so many kits out there you can put and change their, you know, just make a couple different, you know, paint a couple different heads, and you can change her out. But anybody who loves cuddle babies, okay, anybody who likes cuddle babies, stay tuned, because I may just be making some more, but a lot less smaller than her. So I'm really super excited, but you can see her arms. This is a really pretty, I think there's a lady on Facebook, I'm sorry if I can't remember, her name is Jean. Oh, she was known for making these cuddle bodies, and this cuddle body is just amazing. I love this cuddle body. It's really, really pretty. But I don't think she does it anymore. I mean, look at her legs. Can you see her? And I love about them is because they can move. I mean, see, this leg goes way back. Look. But they're just so squishy. And I love her legs. You can tell her legs. They have that little bend in them. I mean, they're really super cute. This Cuddle body, I love. And of course, her, you know, her body in here is it's all fabric, just like I do my reborns, except for she's all Cuddle except for the head. So I found this little, well, this is a 3-month-old. A 3-month-old. This is a 3-month size. And she seems to fit it okay. Of course, you know, I mean, Carter's really, I need to take stock in this company or something, because I buy from them just way too many times. But all I do is buy clothes from them. That's most of my shopping comes from Carter's. I think they should sponsor me, or I should get a discount. What do you guys think? So, I'm just going to try to put this on. I'm going to unbutton as many buttons as I can. But I think I don't have any tags on her. Okay. So I thought I would change her into this little outfit. And I'm keeping her socks on because that fills up more space when they have their socks on. And hopefully you can see a little bit of what I'm doing, because I said, guys, she's really large. But see, I could bring her foot way up here and show you. Look at, see? I could bring her foot way up here and show you what I'm doing. That I'm putting on this little, on her feet. And then I can lay her back down, see? And, yeah, Cuddle babies are, I just love them. They're really super sweet. And she's the only one I got, and I don't know why. But you know, you have to put long sleeves on them. I usually put, the little, what do you call those, where you cover their fingers? You know, like I call them sock fingers. I don't know what they're. But you put them over here so they can't see that it doesn't have, you know, the reborn looking arm, you know, the hand. You know what I'm talking about, right, guys? You know, just the little covers that you put over their hands. They look like socks for your hands. You know, so the babies don't scratch themselves. That's what I put on her, which I didn't bring me a pair. I totally forgot. But yeah, so I put that on her so you can't see this part. And of course, this sleeper, and I like putting them in sleepers because everything is you know, it's covered. Especially this one. Look at her little unicorn feet. I love this. This is a little unicorn outfit, and I love, look how cute. And she's looking so cute. I love the way she's all covered. So, man, if I had a pair, I'm trying to see if I have a pair laying around so I can cover her hands. Usually I do that, but I think I put them on another baby. I don't remember which baby I put them on. And I think I have some more, but I need to go find them, and I can't find them because it might take me too long, and I don't want to have you guys sit here and wait for me to find them, but I'll put them on after I finish this video. But see, she fits in 3 months pretty good. And as far as her length, I mean, she's a big baby, and oh my gosh, I love cuddling with her, though. She's just all like polyfill. She's got some glass beads. I think I put glass beads in her booty. I know she's got glass beads in her hands right here. She has glass beads in her feet right here, up here. This is, okay, she's got glass beads to her knees, and then this is polyfill. And she's got glass beads until her elbow on both of those, and then the rest is polyfill. I don't think I put any glass beads, maybe in her butt, just a little bit. But that's about all. She is just polyfilled right through here. And you just can, like, see guys, like you can just squish her. When you hold her, she just holds in your hands so nice. That's one thing about Cuddle babies, is that, man, they are so squishy, and they just lay in your hands, and they're so much fun to hold. And yeah, so I love my Cuddle babies. I don't know why I don't put her on my channel more often. She needs to be. She's a cutie. But I probably will start doing that more of her because I do love my Cuddle babies. I just, for some reason, haven't put her out. I wasn't sure if I was going to sell her or keep her. I think that at that point, I think that's what was happening. So I didn't want to put her out too much. I didn't know whether I wanted to keep her or not, but this is my only Cuddle one that I have, and I'm definitely going to keep her. But I wanted to share her with you because I don't remember if, I mean, I think I might have put her out here one time when I changed her into this outfit. And I think that was it. So, but anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you and see her little cute changing. And she looks adorable with all of her unicorns and clouds with some lightning strikes. And she's got some regular pink clouds and then just blue and pink unicorns and like falling stars, shooting stars. And these feet crack me up. Can you see those feet? Look at those unicorns on her feet. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at this unicorn. Oh my gosh. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to come out and do a changing with her because I haven't done one in a long time. So I want to come out and show you guys me changing her and what she looks like. And like I said, if you love cuddle babies and you're thinking about getting a cuddle baby, stay tuned because I have something I want to show you, and I don't want to give it away, so I'm not going to say anything else. I just have something to show you, and maybe, I'm not sure about this part yet. We will figure that out, but right now, I'm not going to say any more. Just stay tuned if you like cuddle babies. That's all I'm going to tell you. So, anyways, guys, thanks so much for coming in and sharing this little changing with my little baby girl. Like I said, she has no name, and I cannot remember this sculpt because it's really old. I got it from McPherson's. Man, I don't know. I'm lost for words. If anybody knows this sculpt name, can you put it in the bottom of the comments? Because I guess I can go look myself, actually. I can go do that and stop being lazy. Of course, I would, but I have no internet right now because with everybody being here, I have no bandwidth, and it's really hard. I'm having so much trouble with my internet right now. So that's why there has been lack of videos also, because it's hard for me to download. I have to download during the middle of the night when nobody is using it, and I forgot to keep downloading my videos at night. I'm so used to, doing them during the day, and I forgot to do them at night. So the videos are here. I just have to remember to put them on at night, so I have to change my schedule a little bit. But anyways, guys, thanks so much for being here. I appreciate you all. Stay safe. Wash your hands, guys. Stay indoors. Stay 6 feet away from somebody if you have to go out. Just be safe out there, okay? Take care. And I guess I will see you on my next video. Like I said, cuddle baby lovers, stay tuned. I'm going to show you something here very soon. Take care, everyone. Oh, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, because if you don't hit the notification bell, you won't be alarmed of all my future videos. So anyways, guys, love you all. Take care. Bye.